already tell, here it is. I know the last video we didn't really get to go over driving the car or anything like that. So without my actual mount, I used to have a mount up there as the last video for my GoPro. Without that mount, I don't know where it's at, honestly. We're just gonna set you up over here and go for a little cruise, and then I'll talk about the car some and what my plans are for it in the future. All right, so we are on the move. I just have the car in drive right now, as you can see. Because although it is a full manual valve body, I can shift it however I would like. I will not with one hand because that requires two hands. So we're just gonna leave it in drive for now. Take it on a good little cruise. But as y'all can tell, everything is fully running and driving. This is pretty much a year later, actually a full year later since I filmed that last video, whenever it was just startup. So we've definitely come a long way in terms of the tune and stuff and having to mess with it a little bit. Really, this Holley Terminator X is perfect. Like, I don't have any complaints about it, anything like that. Everything runs and drives great, straight from the box, or straight out of the box. So realistically, I didn't really have to do much at all. Here's a Prius pulling out in front of me. Cool. Classic Prius. See, we got the tack right there. Got the Prius in front of us, driving slow. Since the last video, as you can tell, I got a new steering wheel. Just a NRG basic steering wheel with the kit. I got all of it at the same time. This one is 13.5 inch, I want to say, or 14 wheel. I can't even remember. But this one is a little bit small for my liking, but I mean, I already paid money for it, so it's good. But as you can see, shout out to my dad. Look at this alignment. This alignment is crazy for homemade. And literally, my truck has worse alignment than this. And this is a 44-year-old car, so pretty cool. Hopefully the audio isn't too bad right now, although the windows are down because I still don't have windows. Yeah, it's a fucking year later, I still don't have windows. That's just my fault though, to be honest with you, just because I would rather go fast than have windows. So the struggles of having race car wants and needs. But my tack here, or not tack, sorry, my speedo here is off by 10 miles per hour. So if you see me fucking hauling ass, I'm really not going that fast. But yeah, man, this thing is really fun to drive as long as it's not blazing fucking hot and on a million degrees outside where I'm melting. Take it all the way to 6 on that one, as I'm sure you can tell, but this bitch gets down. Another thing that we did that I wanted to mention is we actually ended up switching out the gears also. So this initially came with 241 gears, which is extremely slow. It did not leave first gear until like 70, so that had to go. Since the car is a 3-speed, we are running 323 gears right now, just so it's not wrapped out on the highway and stuff like that, because obviously I want to be able to drive in places still, and I want it to be a street car, street strip, although street strip isn't really a thing for me anymore because the fucking racetrack, Redline Raceway, I'm sure many of you know about here in Texas, recently got shut down. So that's a bummer, but I mean, it'll still be a fun street car anyways, I don't care. But yeah, I want to put the camera down, we're going to come to a stopping point, and then I'll talk some more on what I want to do with the car in the future. And then also, hopefully we can get some races coming up soon in Mexico. Alright y'all, so now we are in the room. We're editing the video. I figured I would film a little bit more just to wrap it up, stuff like that, and finish up the video. So the plans for the car are to put a sloppy stage 2 cam in it, maybe lifters, but the lifters are really fine in it right now, so I don't think I'll have to do anything with that. Springs, of course, and then also that's about it for now. We're gonna go ahead and leave the stock heads on it right now at 317 heads, because in the future, ideally, I would like to boost it. So we'll see how that goes out. I know that's expensive. I don't really have the money for that right now, but we are working towards getting that cam. So also, we're not really trying to do a cam swap in the garage right now whenever it's 106 degrees outside some of these days. So that'll wait for a little bit. Really, that's it for this video. I just wanted to keep it pretty short and simple. I know it's been a while since I've actually uploaded, so I figured I'd bring something. We're actually filming with the camera on this one too, so hopefully the quality looks a little bit better. I'm gonna pop it up here, whatever or wherever I can, the image. 97% of you are not subscribed. So if you're watching the videos, you enjoy it, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. You don't have to do anything else. I appreciate it. Thank you for the support. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Be sure to stay tuned for the next videos coming up, and peace out.